Does Kickstarter count as income? That's a question a lot of creators and entrepreneurs ask, and the short answer is yes, but it's not always straightforward. Think of it this way. When you launch a Kickstarter, you're not just getting donations. You're entering into a contract with your backers. They pledge money in exchange for a reward, a product, a service, or some unique experience. From the IRS's perspective, that money isn't a gift. It's revenue from a business transaction. So how do you handle it? For most creators, the money you receive from a successful Kickstarter campaign is considered gross income. This means you need to report it on your tax return. However, here's where it gets interesting. You can also deduct the expenses you incur to produce and deliver the rewards. This includes everything from manufacturing costs and shipping fees to marketing expenses and platform fees. The key is to keep meticulous records of all your income and expenses. This will help you accurately calculate your net income from the campaign, which is the amount you'll actually be taxed on. What about a project that fails to meet its funding goal? In that case, since no money changes hands, there's nothing to report. The income isn't realized, and there are no taxable events. Now, a common mistake is to treat the funds as a lump sum of profit. That's a major red flag. You need to account for all those costs. For example, if you raise $50,000 but it costs you $45,000 to produce and ship everything, your taxable income is only $5,000. Kickstarter income is generally viewed as a form of business income. Whether you're a sole proprietor or have a more formal business structure, you'll likely report it on a Schedule C form. If your project is a hobby and not a business, the rules can be a bit different, but for most Kickstarter campaigns, it's a business venture. In short, treat your Kickstarter like a real business. Track your revenue, deduct your expenses, and consult with a tax professional if you have any doubts. It can save you a lot of headaches and money in the long run.